What are some effective natural remedies for yeast infection in the belly button?
Hello, and welcome to this video. Today, we're going to explore a topic that may seem a little unusual, but is actually quite common: yeast infections in the belly button. More specifically, we will discuss some effective natural remedies you can try at home to manage this condition.
What is a belly button yeast infection?
Before we dive into the remedies, let's briefly talk about what a belly button yeast infection is. This condition occurs when the naturally occurring Candida yeast in our bodies overgrows in the belly button area, leading to discomfort and infection. Symptoms can include itching, redness, swelling, and sometimes a white or yellowish discharge.
Hygiene and care.
The first and perhaps the most crucial step in managing a yeast infection in the belly button is maintaining proper hygiene. Clean the area daily with warm water and mild soap, ensuring to rinse and dry it thoroughly. Avoid scratching or rubbing the area, which can further irritate the skin and promote the growth of yeast.
Natural remedies.
Now, let's discuss some of the effective natural remedies for a yeast infection in the belly button. 1. Apple cider vinegar. Dilute 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water. Use a cotton ball to apply this solution to the infected area. Apple cider vinegar contains antifungal properties that can help combat the yeast infection. 2. Coconut oil. Apply a small amount of coconut oil to the belly button area. Coconut oil is a natural antifungal and antibacterial agent that can help fight the yeast infection. 3. Tea tree oil. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil and apply to the affected area. Tea tree oil is well known for its antifungal abilities. 4. Probiotics. While this isn't a topical remedy, consuming probiotics can help balance the gut microbiota, which indirectly may help control yeast overgrowth. Please remember, before using any of these remedies, do a patch test to check for any potential allergic reactions. If your symptoms persist or worsen, seek medical advice promptly. There you have it. Those were some natural remedies for managing a yeast infection in the belly button. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Maintain good hygiene, keep the area dry, and take care of your overall health. We hope you found this video helpful, and please reach out to a healthcare professional if you have any concerns.